welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the YOUCANIC scanner to reset Volvo transmission adaptation settings. So Volvos, over time as you drive them, they try to kind of match your driving habits, so they might keep the transmission in gear longer if you drive aggressively, or vice versa. But those can sometimes, cause issues with the way the transmission shifts. So I'm going to show you there's a couple of settings that you can reset using the YOUCANIC scanner. So let's get going. So on this screen here, once you turn on, select maintenance and go to transmission adaptation, and down here scroll down all the way to the bottom until you see Volvo. Do manual selection on Smart VIN if you like. North America, you can see the models that require you can do transmission adaptation on. This is the year 2017 and up, 2018 and up, 2016 and up for the XC90. Select the year, select the engine, select the all-wheel drive or front-wheel drive. You have two settings here: resetting the adaptation or calibration of the gear possession sensor. So we're going to do the resetting adaptation settings. So what you want to do is here, do not press the brake pedal down there without pressing that. Turn the start and hold it like that. On the cluster, you'll see the ignition turn on, but the engine will not start, okay? So we want to make sure you do that. And then here, go to reset adaptation, press OK, and follow those instructions on the screen. Press start, and set routine completed, and the adaptation settings are set to factory settings. So a lot of times transmission will end up shifting a little bit better. Now, gear position sensor, the shifter, if you do maintenance or do any work there, you can reset that as well. For that, you need to have a transmission, the shifter, move the shifter into neutral, and then press start. I'm not going to carry that because we don't need that, but that's another setting you can do for the transmission. But that's all. That's how you can use the YOUCANIC scanner to reset Volvo adaptation settings for the transmission. Thank you for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.